vehicle? Check out 2017 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, universal garage door opener, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.